Here is how you export and then import in Lab 2 for CODAP. It's very straightforward, very simple. Go to File, Download, and then you're going to download this thing. It's called a comma-separated values. It's a CSV file. Download it. Okay, it's going to save it somewhere on your computer. Go to CODAP. Click the button that says Launch CODAP. So you're going to codap.concord.org. Should all be linked in the Google Doc. Launch it. It's going to open up this program. So you want to create a new document. Okay. If you're on a Mac, you can just click and drag the file you downloaded. It's going to be at the bottom if you're using Chrome. Or you can hit the Import button from the File menu. So if you go to the little hamburger thing, click Import, you can find the file. But I'm just going to drag it in. Once you drag it in, it realizes what it is, and it turns it into data that you can access. So that's the main heavy lifting part of Lab 2. Other things you might want to do, if you click here, call it snacks, and then save it as food habits. And then you probably want to save it somewhere on your Google Drive, like that. That's it.